Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face in Premiere Pro. First, select the clip with the face you want to blur. Go to the Effects panel and search for the Gaussian blur effect. Drag this effect onto your clip. Next, head to the Effect Controls panel and find the Gaussian blur effect. Click on the ellipse mask option to create a circular mask. Position and resize the mask over the face you want to blur. Adjust the mask's size to cover the face properly. Now, increase the blurriness value to achieve the desired level of blur. If the face is constantly moving, you're going to want to make sure that the blur stays with the face throughout the video. Use the Mask Path feature. Click on the play button to track the face. Premiere Pro will automatically track the face and adjust the mask as it moves. This may take a while depending on the length of the clip. Once the tracking is done, review your clip to ensure the blur effect follows the face smoothly. If everything looks good, you're all set. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.